In today's video, I get taped up and we make a full body mannequin. As you know, I've recently gotten into cosplay and I think I'm going to be getting a lot more into it. Before, just as the pandemic hit, I started printing a Mandalorian helmet. I absolutely love the show. Can't get enough of it. I'm not a huge Star Wars fan. I've always liked it, but as soon as I saw the Mandalorian, I was all in. So since then, I've made the blaster, the armband, sniper rifle, and soon I'll be making a full Mandalorian build. But for that, I've wanted to make a full body mannequin. They're very expensive, so I think I found a way that is pretty cost effective and it should work out fine. I've already done the taping part of it, which I'll probably show in a time lapse here right away, but it was a little strange and a little weird to get tape covering your whole body, but it worked out pretty well, especially for my head. Kind of weird to see your exact head shape. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show that, and then we'll go into the actual build itself.
It's nearly time to down food at the end of the day.
I stopped there because I just realized that I won't be able to get the framework in if I tape up this entire chest piece. So next we are going to measure out our PVC pipe, cut it to the length of my legs and to the hip joint area. Saw that out, get that all positioned in the legs, and then I'm gonna fill the feet with sand. A little bit of spray foam on top of that just to set everything in. I want it to be solid and I want it to be heavy at the bottom. You don't have to do the spray foam. You don't even have to do the sand. I'm just doing that to satisfy my own standards here, or what I think is gonna work. I have no idea. I've never made a mannequin before. There's a couple DIYs out there already, but I think this one's gonna be a little more efficient and hopefully more effective. The ones that I've seen, they don't allow you to put pants on or shoes or boots, so that was something that I was keeping in mind when I'm designing this one, is I want to be able to do a full bodied mannequin. So let's get to it. That's some nice legs. Look at these bad boys. Okay, so we're finished that. Next we're going to have the chest tube, get the shoulders attached, tape the XO of my chest onto this, get it to the right height, and then we can do arms and the head and tape it all together, and it should be done. We're not too far off now, so well, I've done it. I've successfully cloned myself. Now, that being said, looks pretty good. Is it sturdy? No. Would I do it again? No. Would I do this over buying a $300 full body mannequin? I don't know if I could recommend that. Honestly, if you have the time and you want to just mess around and see if you can do something for yourself. I mean, it's probably the way to go, but is it going to be anywhere near as sturdy as an actual professional full body mannequin? No. Am I going to use it? I feel obligated that I have to, so I'm just going to have this creepy replication of myself around the shop, so. But anyways, I guess we should see if it actually does work. Wow, look at this handsome fella. Like I said, not sturdy at all. Could I have maybe made it sturdier? I'm not sure. But it is exactly my shape because we made it my shape. But yeah, there it is. If you want to try this for yourself or you're just bored as shit, go right ahead. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.